What the fuck? Oh my god. Wait, am I live? Am I live on the correct thing? Yes. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, Discord is pinged. Alright. So, today's not gonna be super long again. I mean, we should be able to get a lot of stuff done pretty quickly. So I guess we can just kind of... Oh man, should I have like music? Limpware. What's it? What? It's like software, but it's limp. Synonym, actually. That's kind of crazy. What are there other synonyms for soft? Flaccidware. Gonna make some flaccidware today. I guess we can just kind of start. I gotta explain this stuff again. Anyway. Alright, what's up? I don't know, I feel like I should have music. Right? I feel like I should have music. Is there any... I don't know if I have music. Oh man, wait. Let me play like video game soundtrack or something. Time to not understand a thing, dude. Just you wait. I'm gonna fucking... You know... I'm gonna explain so much. Like, what is this? Like, relaxing video game music for streaming? It's probably good. It's gonna be completely copyrighted anyway. What the fuck is this? This one, maybe. Dire Rocks. Is that not the Mario one? Mario 64? Oh, yeah. Actually, that fits. We'll do this for as long as until I get like sick of it. Alright. You can see everything, yes. Should I like this? Okay. So this is the software that I wrote to... It's already kind of starting to annoy me. It's too loud. This is at 5%. Fuck. Import keys. Where is it getting my keys from? Oh, it's from the internet. You know how it is. Alright, so this is the software that I wrote to... That's... Fuck, I did this wrong last time. That's Arabic, isn't it? Is that correct this time? I know I did it wrong last time. I know I said it was the wrong thing. I think that's Arabic. More like $200 on Arabic. So this is the software that I wrote that does the jump scares, basically. This is basically like just scrapes the chat of whatever I like put in right here. This is the link to like a chat box, and it just kind of scrapes every message in there, or like most of them. I don't even need to be that fast. And then just kind of checks what that is, and then it plays something depending on if like criteria met and stuff. So it's not super complicated yet. It's a pretty small program. It could probably be way better. Wrong language. I can do that too. What's up, dude? What's up, man? How you doing? I'm doing good. You know, just got off work, doing some more software. Let's go. Remember me? Yeah. Of course I do. I remember most people that were even like for like a single message in chat somehow. And right here's basically like my where like the file name and the sound file is for the Mr. Beast thing. It's not like the medic from TF2. That's a compliment. Just got off software engineering. No, I'm software engineering. God, not again. Not again. So what we gotta do is... You gotta love your work focus. I mean, fucking apparently... At some point you just do it so much, it's just like it doesn't even matter. But this is not work, at least. This is not work. I'm doing this because I want to. So... This uses Selenium, by the way. Which I'm gonna assume you don't know what that is. It basically is what I use to like scrape the chat. This is like Selenium driver and stuff, and then it like finds like the messages, or like the newest message in chat, and then it checks like, where does it check? It does it somewhere. This is the init, which is basically, this is what gets like executed first. This entire thing. Think of it as work and it won't be fun anymore. That's true. That's completely true. This is just setup right here. Do I have an, I should have like a main. Where is it? Oh, down here. This is like the really important thing. I'm trying to get the 1 million spy backstab thing? A full 1 million? Maybe that's 1 meter. Oh yeah, right here. If the message is Mr. Beast, this thing, then it does a play jumpscare. And play jumpscare basically just means that it plays whatever is in there, which we've said before. So first of all, I'm gonna do a... We gotta do like a fucking... Because I'm gonna forget everything. We should do like a to-do. To-do. We should do like a list. What does that mean? You need to get 1 million damage? Or does that mean you need to kill 1 million people? Yeah, you know, my spelling, dude, it's not gonna be good. I typed too fast for my own good. What do we have to do? We have to... Well, I wanna... basically make it random. So that means that we need to make it choose a random jump scare. And that's kind of basically it for now, I guess. Hey, one task on the to-do is fine, you know. That's good. So that basically means that we one make sandwich, yeah. To-do. Quit job. Just quit. And for that we need to absolutely change this thing right here. This is where we need to like go in and modify this, because this is basically like where we set what video we want to play. Actually, we should do something else first. We should do something else first. Send me money. Send everybody money. I need to have the stream open right here. Like 27 cents, just like a couple of cents. I just need like a little bit. Oops, I actually... Oh god. Nobody's getting any fucking money from me. I need this chat link. So this is now going to be the link to the current chat. And now we start this by... I don't think I can press this button, no. Which is just great, that I can't even do that. Where the hell do I open like the console? Terminal, there we go. So this is where I need to actually like run this. So we go into this directory and then we can just fucking go like jumpscare.py. What? What do you mean unable to create cache? Unable to move the cache, access is denied. Huh? What? Something weird's going on right here. What the fuck? So it can't because... For some reason, let's just go for like Python. Jumpscare. Is that what I'm missing? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. You can't see, but there's weird stuff going on. Get... Everything's going wrong. God damn it. Oh no, it worked. So if you type something... Can you just type something, please? Zephyr? We should now be able to see that reflected down here. There it is. Hee hee. Oh my god, that voice crack. Hee hee. So it's down there. So that means... it's basically like the... Where is it? The print. This is the print. Basically saying that, you know, if there's a message that is different from the last message, then just print it. And that's it. So if you now type... Mr. Beast, best chat plugin for checking chat. It's really bad. Like if you spam... It is not going to be able to catch everything. So this is only going to work for when I'm like... If there's going to be like... But how the fuck did that get me? That's crazy. That's crazy how I didn't expect that. Okay, so that didn't work. Obviously. Now, please... Wait, I can do this myself. Yeah. Let's test again. So we need to. So you might be able to tell that you can't see this on stream. That's a problem. That's a big problem that we need to solve using critical thinking skills. All right, do we have those? And the thing is, though, I'm not sure why. It's raining again. Good. It's not raining where I'm at, but I like rain. Rain's good. Let me try out one different thing. Let me try out something. I have a thing. I have something that I'm gonna try. Alright, it's very black. But we can fix this. So now I'm using now the window capture to do the window. Oh wait, I should explain that in a little bit. First of all, I gotta fucking make sure you can see me. So we should be able to do like a chroma key right here, color key, boom, and then we just make that shit like fucking black. Boom. Alright. So what happened right there was, I'm now using a window capture to capture the window that is the jump scare basically. So this code, it basically creates a window, which you can't see, which I can't see. Then sets like a bunch of weird flags that Windows apparently has to make it like transparent on my screen and like basically completely ignorable. It's basically like an invisible window that covers like my entire desktop or like my entire everything. Using window capture to capture a window. Before I did game capture, dude, and that does not work apparently. The problem with that is that Streamlabs does not like this window because it does not know what transparency is. Like right here I set window opacity to 0.0 on this line, and it does not care. Like it is a full black thing. So then I just color key, like basically chroma key, like everything that is black is just gone. That's how you get what you're seeing right now. And now, if we type Mr. Beast... No, it still doesn't work. I'm not sure why now. Maybe, wait. No, I don't get it. Let's get rid of the color key. Let's try it one more time. Oh! Alright, that's weird shit going on now. There's really weird shit going on right now, because it does not show at all. That's weird, I feel like I had it working at one point beforehand. It's so fucking loud though. Because I know that on display capture it works like 100%. Because it kinda has to. Let me think. I'm tired. I'm tired, Luigi. Did I just have it on like display capture accidentally when I tested this last time? Because like I feel like it should work regardless. Or like, well, almost regardless, I guess. It's gonna become black. Again, like, it makes no sense to me that it does not show at all. It's really strange to me. It's really strange, because you do need to, like, have it run on top. But why would it... This is like what 80% of software development is like. You just sit there and you go like, I don't know what the fuck's going on. I don't know how to do this. Because we play everything here and like obviously on my screen it works. I would assume. But it's really strange. I guess we should... I mean, I guess let's check if display capture works, right? I mean, I don't think that it wouldn't. But, you know. I mean, it'd be insane if this didn't work. That makes sense, yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. So that works. Display capture works just because it does like everything, right? And does not care. But we need to be able to put that into a single like window. Which is what's strange. Potato song soon I got another one. Okay. Not yet. You'll probably get like another 5 to 10 minutes in this. Come to Observatory. Is that another Mario song? This is too much thinking. I wonder what I did differently last time when I was testing this on my own. I guess I must have been like delirious. For me to just think that, oh yeah, it works now. I fixed it. But I mean, this is clearly like a Streamlabs thing and not a software thing, right? It's like clearly Streamlabs does not like what I'm doing with with anything, apparently. You can put it on there. Allow transparency. Holy shit, maybe I'm stupid. It says like allow transparency right there. Can I do that on this? I cannot do that on that's only on game capture. Alright. Limit capture frame rate, hook rate is normal. Window match priority, who cares? Don't know why, but I'm feeling Mario songs right now. I also want to replay Sunshine. That's cool. I've never really been into Mario, and I'm not a big platforming guy. Kinda suck it. Sunshine's a good one, right? With the water park and shit. You get the backpack. Right. Let's try it one more time. So even if the capture's working, the thing is, it does not do it at all, which is really strange to me. Wait, what? Oh, there's something really weird going on. Like, this is basically a Streamlabs thing. Should I stream Streamlabs? I guess I might as well just fucking figure that out on my own so that I can actually show me doing something, right? There might be some projector. What is a projector? Projector. Create source projector, create output projector. I'm just gonna do create output projector. Oh. Okay. Oh, what? I can see my own stream on my... That's weird. How do I get rid of this? What the hell? Create source projector. So this is... I can basically see what's going on this one. That's quite interesting. Oh, okay. Why do you need to take ROMs of Vims? What is a Vim? Didn't you see? Did you see Nintendo like cease and desisted another emulator? Like, what was it, like Ryu Jinx, I think? That might be wrong. Or something like that. They did another one, because after they did Yuzu first, now this is the second one they've just fucking deleted, basically. It's pretty crazy. Let's give it another round. Because I want to see if... Huh? This one's not even doing anything. Oh, there it is. That one took a fucking long time. Vim's last website forums. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. They're just fucking really cracking down on all of that stuff, man. It kind of blows, not gonna lie. So I think it needs to be a window capture. 100%. You can still get Luigi's Mansion. That's good. Hey, that's one at least. Luigi's Mansion is pretty fucking good. I mean, I've not played it, but I've heard good things. It's not like one of the... It's like one of the most popular Nintendo games, right? Except the Titans that are fucking... Mario! Who cares about Luigi? Luigi's not important enough for Nintendo. Poor Luigi. Goddamn Luigi. Him and his fucking green hat. It's like signed, quoted by Mario himself. I don't know if I can do a fucking Mario impression. I don't think I'm gonna try that. Today's a bad day to try that. Download unavailable at the request of Nintendo of America. Fucking Christ. It's kind of crazy, man. Client area. Was SDR multi-adapter compatibility. I kind of just want to try like fucking asking ChatGPT again. I feel like I did this before. I feel like I solved this problem already. But now it just doesn't work anymore. I guess it's fine. I guess let's just focus on the other stuff for now. I don't really want to use display capture, so we're not going to. I mean, whenever we try it out, I can switch to display capture. I guess we should do the other stuff first, because this should work. Weirdly enough, it is a big because it's like if it would work at all, that'd be cool. But it just kind of doesn't even show up, regardless of what I do. You know what I mean? So I wonder if there's gonna be like some weird fucking fix that I can do that like would fix this problem. And get Wii Sports. I mean, hey, that's something. All right, so this is where we have to basically like do some stuff. We need to sort of figure out. I need to basically get like a list of every file name, you know? So it's like get a list of every file name. We need to do that. Then we also need to do like a let's just like oops, hashtag to do get a list of every sound file name. That's important. Oh, should I put this in sound effects, which is I should absolutely make one, because this is also in videos and this is in sound effects. So we probably first of all have to make like a new thing. I'm just gonna make like a new folder that's basically like jumpscare. And this is where we can put in like the videos and one that is like sound effects. Oops. Boom, right there. Oh, and we also have to do this because it's being annoying. Same thing on this one. Why am I what? I pressed on something every time. Put this thing right here. Oh God. I pressed the wrong button combination. There it is. Okay, so we have that. No Wii Remote, no more. What? You can't get... Well, I mean, if you... Oh, I don't get it. Can't you, like, set up, like, your controller to be, like, any Wii Remote and stuff? So I need to actually figure out, because I don't know how to do this. Like, I need to get, like, a... Like Python... I'm not gonna Google this. Python get a list of file names in directory. That's what I want. How do I list all files of a directory? os.listdir. Time to steal code. Yeah, dude, that's the point. Steal whatever the fuck we want. So we're gonna make this just file names. Then we apparently use this thing. What is it complaining about right here? OS is not defined. Well, that seems bad. Let's see, do we have a quick fix? Add import. Boom, and there we have it. os.list dir. Yeah, I get it. It's the sound file path, I am aware. Sound files. And then, well, first of all, I kind of just gotta look at whatever the hell this stuff, like, even means. You know, so, can I just run this in, like, Python? Get rid of this. Boom, there we go. Can I just go, like, Python, period, and then we can just go, like, oh, what? I can't copy paste things into here? Oh, you're kidding me. No, it's... Oh, there we go. No, it does work. Whew. Oops. OS is not defined. Okay, goddammit. Import that, and then we do it. System cannot find the path specified. Oh, because it still has the Mr. Beast at the end. That makes sense. So it's gotta be like this. Nothing. Also makes sense. There's nothing in there right now. We just gotta make sure that it works. So we gotta get rid of this. Then we also have to get rid of this. And now I'm just gonna copy the Mr. Beast stuff over from my editing library. So, sound effects. Mr. Beast! Basically, Nintendo only DMCA the popular and fun games. That sounds like fucking Nintendo, man. Those fucking guys. They hate fun. Now we need the video. What the fuck is up, Kyle? And that's probably from my favorite videos of all time. It's so good. Oh, oops. You can still get Wii U Breath of the Wild. That don't make sense to me. I guess I don't care. It's for the Wii U. Who even cares? There we go. So now we can see down here, I've just put that in, and now it's got MrBeast.mp4. And if we do the... okay, second. And then if we do this... This should have the corresponding .wav file now. And now this is an array. Array is like different elements stacked together. It's like a grouping, basically. And that means that we should now probably, first of all, choose a random file name from this one. By my goddamn Switch. I should, man. That thing is fucking expensive. So we have that. We can actually just redo this. We can just get rid of this. Of every file name, video and sound effects. Boom. Important to comment your code. And now what we need to do next is we need to basically pick a random video / image, because these can also be images. Started early. Hi. Did I? Did I? Did I have it early? Not early. Alright. What's up, Mars? How you doing? Good. I thought I didn't. Could have been. Did you? Apparently not. I thought I thought it would be at 11. Well, it's 4 p.m. and I think I had it at 4 p.m. It's already fucking 80 minutes long. Well, 10 minutes early, yeah. That's what I have. That's what I thought as well. I was like a bit early, but not super long. 80-minute shower, dude. An hour and a half. I think I was pretty on point. From my perspective. Yeah, so now we have an array of different things, and we need to pick one from it. So I'm just gonna fucking... There's gotta be like a math... Oh, I might have to like import this. There's like a mathf, I think. I don't know what the fucking Python library is for math. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna fucking Google it. Oh wow, that's legit just a fucking... Dude, you know what's great about Python? You know what I can do? I can just fucking go like, boom, import random. And then we can use random.choice file names. I don't even have to do a semicolon. And this will give us like basically a random singular file name. You can probably just go like file name equals random choice. So now we have a random file name from that. And we can probably do like the same thing if we just go like sound file equals random.choice sound files. I'm gonna switch music. What was it? Observatory. Oh, I spelled that really wrong. No, I didn't actually. This was good. This is not... Oh no, this is 3. I feel like this is like classical music. Do I know this song? I played Super Mario Galaxy like so fucking long ago. Either way. We should basically be able to do like... Let's check something. So down here we can basically now go like random.choice. List that. Name random is not defined. God damn it. Import random. Boom. And now it basically just gets us... Oops. Random.choice of this. And now we have just the single thing. The important thing here is to note, there's no like brackets around it. That means it's a single element and not an array. I can already smell the copyright strike. I don't think dude, if Nintendo fucking cares about this channel, that'd be fucking wild, man. It would be absolutely crazy. What if we just put on like actual fucking... What if we put on like actual classical music? Classical music that goes hard. Why is this... Why is that a recommendation? Look at this. Classical music that goes hard. What? I mean, sure. Let's look at it. What is classical music that goes hard? Let's listen to some. Classical music that goes hard. Okay, I get it. I can see this going hard. That's not what we want. Classical music for villains. That's good. People don't care about classical music, right? Yeah, but boss, I want the smallest music on music. Should we do anything? 223 subscribers. Fucking DMCA. Sue him. Sue the fuck out of this guy. Alright. Oh yeah, this is good. So, we now have a single file name and a single sound file. Obviously, this is not exactly what we want. Because obviously there's also a mechanism that basically goes like... try and match... This is still a to-do that we have to do still. Try and match the file name to a sound file. This is in case of like, if we have a Mr. Beast a video, then we should also use the Mr. Beast sound effect. You know what I mean? So... we can't just use a random choice right here as well, even though that would, I guess, work. And even then, well, we can basically just kind of add this path to it to then play the file name. We should actually basically just, oops, we should go like set needed variables, which is basically going to be like, set needed paths is a better word. And then we can basically go like var file path, which is this. Oh, var, god, we don't use, that's not Python. Then we can also just go like sound path, which is this. And then instead of that, we can just use file path right here. I should fucking listen to this whenever I'm editing, man. This is working. Just do the entire Super Mario Galaxy soundtrack before Galaxy. Kind of like this. I kind of like the classical music right now. And we'll get to that later. So this is good. We need to do this. We need to match this. And the important thing here now is that to match them, we need to have some sort of common thing between them. And if we look down here, the important thing is to note is that there's a .wav at the end. Which means we need to get rid of that so that we only are looking at like the actual file name and not like what type of file it is, right? So that means that we need to actually go like file name short, I guess that's what we're calling it. And then we can just go like file name dot, we should have like a split, exactly. And we can just split it by a period. And then we can just access the first one. And now we should have the file name short. The split basically means that we're gonna, it's a string, so it's like a text sequence. And this fucking music, it is a text sequence. Just like this down here, MrBeast.wave is a text sequence. And by splitting it at the period, which is what we're doing, like we're saying like, okay, we want to split this at the period thing. We basically get two elements now. One that is MrBeast, and then the other one, which is just the wav. Right? This is now in an array, so like a grouping of elements. And we want to have whatever is in front of the period. Alright? That is what this means. Basically, we're accessing this grouping and just taking out the first one. This, you might think that this should be a 1. Programming doesn't really work how you would expect, so this is a 0. Because we start counting at 0 in programming. So this is basically like the first element. In this case, just MrBeast. That is what we want. And this is important because now we have to go like, we have to do like a check to see if there is any files that have the same name, you see? So, how do we do that? I think we should go sound files. Only programming was 7, dude, right now. This is, right? We're doing this right now. Because if there's any questions in class, just ask, okay? If there's questions in class, just ask. So, we need to do like a contains, but that's not great. We can do maybe like a find, no. So, I don't know what the Python thing for that is. Let me check, like Python find element in list. We need to find this, alright? Find a value in a list. We can apparently just do if item in list. So it's like, ooh, how do we find that though? We need the index. Raise his hand. Yeah, there's a question. I can see a question right there, right over there. What is it? Don't disrupt class. But how do we actually find this? We can do index. May I go to the toilet? No. Toilet. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I'm trying to skip class. Holy shit. I'm so mad. There's also the index method. If you want to know where a certain element is in the list. That's what we need. So we need to do .index. So we want .index. This is apparently the function that basically we can put something in there and it'll tell us where is the element that we need. Alright? So, in this case, it's a string. That's what this str says right here. It's a string, which is the value that we're looking for. And this is the file name. Well, it's not even short exactly, which is sort of a problem, because we basically now need an array. Because keep in mind, sound files is an array of like MrBeast.wav, right? But we need it to be an array of just MrBeast, just fucking any other sound effect potentially, without the file extension, because that means that we're not gonna find that, you know? So I wonder if we can do like a for each. I don't think so. That means that there's gotta be a for each though. For each. May I get cereal? No, you fucking can't. What? Cereal in my class? You think you can just eat in this class? If I see anybody with a sandwich, even a sandwich, a fucking, I don't know, any kind of bread box, you didn't raise your hand. Yeah, that too. So you get detention anyway. So there's a F for F in pets. So for example, we can just do like for file in sound files. And then like right here, we can just do like put specs and raise his hand. Mary get cereal? No. Do you have a cereal pass? You get that from the fucking lunch lady? You got a cereal pass, huh? Because I doubt it. I fucking doubt it. Thinking it's cereal in my goddamn class. It's crazy. The disrespect. Oh, okay. Now, okay, that might change my mind. You've capitalized the may and cereal. That might do it actually. Yeah, sure. Get cereal, yeah. You tried. I appreciate that. So we kinda need to... There's no for each. That's actually kinda shitty. That means that we basically need to do like a new thing. May I go to the toilet? Oh, you're gonna shit yourself, dude. Okay, fine, fine. Do it then, dude. I don't want any shit in my classroom. I need to... Oh god, this is gonna become a lot more annoying. This is gonna be a lot more complicated than I expected, honestly. We need to basically make one that is like sound files shortened. So that's what we're gonna just fucking do like up here. Because that makes sense. We're gonna do it like right here, and we're gonna do for file in sound files, and we also need to make like a new one, which is basically like sound files short, which we can... I don't even know what lists are like. Can we just do it like this? I don't know how to declare a list. That seems to have worked. So this is an empty list now. We're basically just gonna do the exact same thing that we've done right here, but we're just gonna add that to the sound files short. Is that just like a dot append, which is basically like the add function. Boom, there we go, and then we just have like the first part of that. And then we can use that to, you know, we can then use that to, like down here, to like search through it effectively. Right? Try to match the file name to a sound file. We have the short one right here. We have the index of the... That makes sense. But this needs to be in the sound files short, because obviously we can't do that. This should be the exact same thing. Comes back with, did you fucking eat on the toilet? You guys know that video of the like guy with the mohawk and shit eating on the toilet? Let me see if I can find that. It's so good. Let me see if I can find this. There's no way. Guy with mohawk eating on toilet. It sounds weird, but it's not. I swear it's funny. Alright, maybe not. The first one that I get is man with explosive diarrhea make a mess in bathroom. It's not really what I want. All of these are the same. Man cooks baby back ribs in hotel bathroom. I mean, okay, this is not what I expected, but I'm down. Let's watch this. This is gonna be great with the classical music, by the way. Oh, it's this fucking guy. Damn, look at this. He's fucking getting rid of that. Oh, there's fucking splatters on the wall. Oh my god. Dude, it's not even... He doesn't even have anything, like, below it, man. He's doing it on the counter. I mean, yeah, it's well seasoned at least. Pillow sheet? He's not gonna put it in the pillow sheet. You can't cook that with a... You can't cook it with a fucking fan. He got the plastic. Dude, this guy has so much microplastic in his everywhere. I eat Roblox figurines. That's good. That's what I call a good diet. For 4 hours. This is like even more fucked up with the classical music. Okay, well, we're right in between the music. Dude, he's got corn as well? What do you think the, like, hotel thinks when they see this? They go like, what the fuck is that guy doing? Man, I don't know what I think about that. That's pretty crazy. That's wild. That's all I'm gonna say. That's crazy. So we should now have the index of that. That means that we can basically actually get the correct sound file by basically just going like... let me actually get rid of this. Where's the... There we go. Let's just put that right there. I don't know if that... We're gonna replace this anyway. So, now what we can do is sound file equals the sound files with the index of sound... oops. Sound index. We need to save this. So many sound things. So this should now, if there is a match in sound file, should hopefully be the actual like name of it. I've not tested this, so we're gonna test this in like a second. And now right here we can do file name, but we need to actually do like what is this, like file path plus file name, right? Because we don't have the path in front of them anymore. Same thing with here. Sound path plus sound file. Man, like the word file has completely lost its meaning to me right now. File means nothing to me anymore. File is the thing that you use to like people in like you know, you file your fingertips, right? Like your fingernails. I regularly file away my fingerprints. Let me play it. That makes sense, right? All of it logically. Are we all on the same page here, guys? You get what I'm saying right now, yeah? This makes sense, doesn't it? So we can set a breakpoint right here, which by the way just means that we stop as soon as that gets executed, and we can then like step by step see what our program does. Okay. So this feels obvious, but FNAF jump scares for FNAF streams, yeah. I should absolutely add those, which I'm probably gonna do in either this stream or like next one or whatever. So when we do this, some stuff opens, whatever. Could somebody wait? Make you think you lost the game? Yeah, do like the Foxy's jump scare. So we still need the Mr. Beast to. I'm pretty sure like. So that just worked. It didn't even hit the breakpoint. That's crazy, but it worked. That's still big. That means that it actually did choose the correct one. There's only one like thing right now that we even just have, you know. So we would need to set up like different files and stuff to like really see if this works. Still no video. What video? Oh yeah, you didn't see it. Oh yeah, I know. I really don't fucking know how to fix that. It's really strange, man. It's so fucking weird. I gotta figure something else out. I for sure do, but right now it's not important. Like you've seen, you know the video. So I think now let's set up like one more. Let's set up one more, and then we can show. I can show you what it looks like. I just need to. Do I have anything like off the hand? I have something pretty good actually. I have something pretty good. We need to turn this into a wave file though. Which is pretty. There's gotta be like an online converter or something. Online MP42 wave converter 3. These websites fucking rule, by the way. I love them. I love this music, by the way. Convert. Done. Save for device. Does this work? Actually, it might not, because wait, I gotta. Yeah, no, it works. It works. This is 20 seconds long, by the way. Olaf Scholz said my town is the best town in Germany. Congratulations. That's kind of crazy. Alright. For the real test. This should hopefully work. I'm gonna now put this on display capture. Bada bing. You should see the same thing, but this is still display now. This is just display. Alright. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get Mr. Beast or something else. We have two. Alright. Alright. That was Mr. Beast. We're at 50-50% right now. They should be fine. Let's try again. Okay. We got video. Oh, yeah. We did the same thing again, okay. Let's see. There it is! There he is!
Oh,
Yeah!
oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh! Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh my goodness!
Ooh! Holy shit. Did he take a hit of Kool-Aid? I don't know. Shit was red down there, wasn't it? That is crazy. That works though. That works. That's sick. That's holy shit. That works. Pretty good, pretty good. Don't touch it. Well, the thing is, I don't like to have display capture. Display capture fucking makes me nervous. I know why it works now, but I'm gonna make it not work anymore. Like, right now, actually. Because display capture makes me really nervous, because I feel like people are just gonna see my entire computer is exposed. We can have that. So there's more things that we actually need to try. And it is... we need to add images as well. We need to basically add like images, and when we get an image that does not have a corresponding... Or basically like an image or a video that does not have a corresponding sound, we are going to take a... Like right here. It should be like right here basically. We need to check like... does... Or like... what am I trying to say? Use random sound if no sound index was found. And this now sort of depends on what sound index, like, potentially... I'm gonna assume that it returns like a -1 if sound index equals -1. Which usually means... if it returns a -1, that usually means like, oh yeah, this is not gonna work. Like, something went wrong, we're just gonna return -1. If sound index is -1, something fucked up, we couldn't find, you know, the corresponding index right here. And... You hear this... Oh my god, it's so good. Maybe I should just start listening to classical music all the time. And if that's the case, we need to use a random sound, right? So I honestly think that we just go fucking sound index, or like I guess that would be, you know what, it would actually be the opposite now that I think about it. Because if it's not -1, which is what that means by the way, then we want to set it to that, because that means we found something. And if it's not, we can just do this beforehand. We can just set it to like something random. Didn't we already do that like up here though? So yeah, we've already set the sound file to something random. And only if we've found something that we can actually use, or if it's like matched correctly, then we set that to it. So we can actually combine those blocks, because that makes sense in my brain. And we can actually also do like if sound, just because why not, and oh, I forgot that that's not how Python works. And sound file does not equal nothing. And the fact that it's file name and sound file, this should be honestly, they got fucking Beethoven in here, Jesus. This should be actually fucking video file. This should be video files, just to have it be like uniform, you know, that's important. So now we have video files, sound files, we have the file path. This should be actually the video path probably, because they're both files, right? So we have the video path, we have the sound path, we have the sound files short, video files, sound files. That makes a lot of sense. This should be the video name short, right? Sound files short. I guess this is the video files short. Acid is melting through the wood. Yeah, what did that be, by the way? I forgot to ask before. What the fuck? What does that mean? That's so ominous. I guess acid is kind of always melting through the world if you really think about it. So this basically means that we set anything else. Oh, it's Neuter. I actually kind of have to play that one again, I feel like. I feel like that deserves like a part 2 stream, honestly. So that works. We are getting a random one right there. One thing that we absolutely have to check now is like, is it a picture or not? I guess let's just add like a random... Let's just add one more video that I have, just to like check if it then actually, if it gets that. Oh yeah, that's good. Boom, this is also an MP4, that's good. Man, I don't want to get the fucking bong one again, man. It's so long, it's like fucking 20 seconds. Let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of it for now. Actually, nah, fuck it. Alright. Let's do this again. There's no hope that we do not get... Oh, yeah. Back to... Boom. Let's see what we get. Whoa. Ah, okay, so there we go. It had a value error. Wow, that just actually throws an exception when we don't find anything. I expected it to return a -1. I expected this to return a -1, but in reality, it actually just throws an exception, which makes my life kinda hard, actually. This makes my life kinda hard, I'm not gonna lie. So, I don't know how the fuck this works in Python. I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that it's exactly, we have a try catch right here, we have a try block. Oh, you know what? Fucking weird ass Python shit, I forgot we need to use one of these. What is it complaining about? It needs a catch. So, this is catch. How does it work? Is it like in here? No, we probably need to make like a value error. EX. What about this? That's not how this works. I gotta figure out, I gotta Google this. Let me Google this and then I can explain it a bit better. Oh, it's an except. It's not a catch. Why would they name it something else? Oh, you are so weird, Python. You are so fucking weird. Alright. So basically, a try except, usually this is a try catch, but for some reason Python is fucking weird and it uses a try except. Basically, you try to run a piece of code, and if something bad happens in there, you can use this except block right here to basically like predetermine like an error that might occur, and then you can do specific things depending on which error you've now like caught, basically. In this case, we're looking for a value error, because that's what I got right here. Last time this code went wrong, we got a value error, so that's what I want to like watch out for right now. And then when that happens, we can just sort of go like, I mean, nothing, really. We don't really care. Just continue. We know that there is one. And we probably don't even, I don't know, I need to do something right here, but I'm not sure what, honestly. But we just kind of want to, like... We kind of just want to keep going, right? I guess we can do like sound index equals -1. We can set this to something. Honestly. Yeah, that seems good to me. That's like the best way to do that in the current code right now. And then when that happens, when something goes wrong in this index function, it gets to be -1, and then this catches it down here, and then basically a random thing gets set, right? Or nothing gets set, rather, if a -1 comes, which is what we want. Yeah, I think we can try it again now. Alright. I don't know what this right thing is, by the way. It's really weird. Alright, Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast!
That makes sense. Let's hope that we don't get the fucking bong one again. Nothing. That's quite interesting. Oh, I know why. Because obviously we need to do something in between. Thanks. Yes. So now we have the pink
my god.
with the bong audio. That is fucked up.
Oh my goodness.
Obviously, there needs to be like some sort of like we need to cut everything down potentially, right, and like standardize it so that everything is like 4 seconds long or whatever, so that it's not that scuffed. But that works at least. So that's big. So that works. I think the one thing that we really need now is like image support, right? And I'm pretty sure that it does not work usually. The thing is though, I don't know if I can even play like an image. It would have to basically be like, if this is an image, then just put it like on screen for like however long the corresponding sound effect is. You know what I mean? Which that might be kind of annoying, because that would require like quite a bit of stuff. I'm kind of distracted by the music. But I think that's what we have to do. What am I using even to play this stuff? I kind of forgot. What am I using? I mean, we don't need this thing. What? I'm using PyQt6. We can get rid of this. Where do we play it? It's right here. Media player. And we have the set source. Do we have that set anywhere else? We have the set video output, a video widget. So I wonder if, I mean, I guess I have to Google this. Like PyQt6, like show image. I mean, I guess we can just try. Gonna get rid of the videos. The last one stays open, huh? That's interesting. So I'm just moving these out, and now I'm just gonna put a single image where the videos would usually be. Alright. Let's go for this one. Let's go for this one. I mean, I got weird shit in my editing library, dude. It is strange. This is a JPEG, so I don't expect this to work. Not gonna lie. Don't expect this to work. You only have one option. Whoa. You just did something for like a really... And it's obviously got the bong one again. Of course. So it did something for like...
Oh my god.
I can't get rid of it.
Oh.
I can't get rid of this. There we go. So it shows it for like a split second, I think. If even that. It's clearly not like prepared to take an image. Which is interesting. You know what I'm gonna fucking do, man? Why is it not going? What? There we go. I'm just gonna fucking put this into... You know, this is the great thing about having AI in our modern day and age. I just gotta go into ChatGPT and I'm gonna paste everything in there. I'm gonna say like... I can show this. Actually. Why wouldn't I? So I just pasted like everything into ChatGPT, the entire code, and then we can just go like, how would I implement a feature that also allows the display of images instead of videos. The duration of the image being shown would be like 3 seconds. Just to make it easy for it, alright? So, you can differentiate video files based on their extensions. Yeah, display images using Q label instead of Q video widget. Oh my god. This seems really annoying. This seems really annoying. Alright. Very dramatic. Oh. Oh. Sounds like the Jaws theme. So it is basically doing this like up here. I know the song. It seems very like a very famous song. I don't know what it is. This is like fucking Star Wars or like Indiana Jones or something. I feel like I should know what this song is. So, but it goes for video. And then we have the image label right here. We have the image extensions. Ah, that makes sense. Nice coding stream. Dude, I mean, this is like 80% of coding, my guy. That's just how this works. Dude, you ask any fucking professional programmer, it's always like, I go to Stack Overflow, and I fucking steal everything. That's how this works. That is like rule number 1, dude. You steal as much as you fucking can. Oh wow, it actually did this really nicely. I didn't even know this was possible. Yeah. And then right here we go file extension. Really up to your code is not my property. Yes! Exactly. Don't know why this has -1 right here. That's really strange. But fine. I know what he wants to do. That should be just a 1. I don't know why he put a -1. That's ChatGPT kind of fucking stupid, man. Dude, I feel like AI has gotten much worse over like the past like 7 months. Like it's gone downhill, I feel like. They're kind of stupid, man. I feel like they were smarter beforehand. They've gotten dumbed down by the internet is fucking making them brain dead, you know. If it's an image, display it. If it's a video, show it. Self.show video? What the fuck even is that? What is show image? He's made extra... Oh god. Hey, what if we... Nah. Let's go for this. Let's just take this, alright? Wait. You're too loud. There we go. This is at 1%. Alright. So we have this show image thing, which is a QPix map, which I've also never even seen before. And apparently it doesn't even know what the hell that is either. That leads to a question, like, is this even defined in the... like, right here? It is. It is just an import that we need to do. What the hell even is a pix map? Is that like a pixel map, right? It just does it using this. It seems to have found it. I mean, it's really crazy that it actually is just like, I don't even know what this entire software is so scuffed. So that's what we need though, the QPix map. What else is new? We need to make the... We need to also have an image label, like up here. Boom, right here. So this is a Q label, which is apparently what we use instead of a video widget when it's about images, apparently. Set alignment, which is in the center, that makes sense. It's hidden initially, that also makes a lot of sense. That's fine, that's fine. See, a lot of this is just feel, okay? You just look at it and you go, that seems okay to me. That seems fine. I need to add it as well. So that should just be this. Well, he puts it on a self.image label. I guess I don't really care. Doesn't really matter to me. We also need to have the image timer. Which is probably just something that it... God damn it, there's another Q timer that I have to import, huh? Which is this one. Boom. Right here. So we basically have a thing in our window that displays an image, and that also now can potentially like time out itself. And then yeah, so we have the image timer. If that times out, it hides the image, seemingly. Obviously, hide image does not exist yet because that would be like a function, right? That we don't have yet. But we're about to have it, dude. Give me like 2 button presses. So we also need to do the hide image. So we have a show image. Then we have a hide image. We stop that. We do that. That makes sense. We set that to visible. We disable the video widget. That makes sense. We also need to have the show video as well, of course. Because that basically hides it. Oops. Should be like this, that makes sense. Obviously, before we actually play it then, we need to probably either show the video or show the image, right? So, we also have the image extensions. Or this one shorter, which I'm just gonna put like up here. So basically, if it's a JPEG, a PNG, a JPEG, or a GIF, that basically means that it's an image and we need to do something else back. What's up, dude? What's up, La Paramount? Only did it on 3rd try this time, instead of like 7th, like the last time. So yeah, we should know at least kind of be able to differentiate between those. Also, what it did was like actually pretty cool. It did one thing that was like pretty crazy. Was this one sound file short? It used this basically. Oops. Which is apparently like this entire, these three lines, it just basically like, what is the word? It like condensed them, you know, like fucking them into this one line. Which to my eyes seems to be doing exactly what I want. And that's like one of those fucking things that Python just is able to do that you would never know about. Because Python's the weirdest fucking thing in the world, man. Python is just crazy. Python is absolutely insane. So, and then we check after what the file extension is, right? So we do that like right here. Check if it's an image. And then we have that. Obviously -1 makes no sense, and media file is also just, I think that's just like something that it, yeah, it's just kind of, yeah, but whatever. We can just name this to like a video file. And then this -1 is dumb. Wait, does -1 mean the last one? Oh, that must be why. -1 must be the last element in the thing. That's crazy. So it actually did that better than I expect. I thought it did a mistake, but no, it was actually even more correct than what I would have done. That's kind of wild. See, thanks, ChatGPT. That shit rules. So, and then the important thing is You know what's interesting? It just replaces this entire block with this. Basically saying video file, video file. What are we... Oh. One space too much. And what this does is now, it checks like, okay, is the file extension of whatever video file we have, is this an image? Or is it a video? And if it's an image, then we just show it with the image thing, which is like extra designed to like show images and stuff, and it starts the timer. And if it's a video, then we will use it as the, basically it just shows the video, period. Alright. I think this is good. I think we can test this out now, actually. Right, I think we can test this. So this should now, potentially, work. We're in the chat, we are scraping the data. And, let me... What's up? What's up, Shadesme? What's going on? We're currently testing stuff. So this should now show an image and play a random sound effect alongside it. The image should be on screen for 3 seconds. Let's see. No. Okay, something went wrong. Mr. Brace, give me $1. Mr. East. Mr. East plays the song right now. I like the classical music. It's good. It makes me feel like I'm really doing something important right here. What does this mean though? Video player has no object, has no attribute video widget. Oh, it's in 120, line 120. It is this thing right here. Oh, because it's not under self, right? It's just a video widget, isn't it? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, let's do the self.video widget. And then we should be able to do that right here. You should try Dota too. Man, I would suck at fucking Dota. I've played that like once. And it is so complicated, it is crazy. Alright, second try. It's on stream and it's free. That's true. You know what else is free? League of Legends. I tried Deadlock, and Deadlock's pretty fucking cool. Why are we... Oh. Deadlock was pretty cool, honestly. But I'm not big on MOBAs and anymore. I played League of Legends for so long. But what is... Okay, it's just being stupid. I get it. Gotta check out of these. It should be .self now. What about down here? Yep, okay, this should work. Alright. There we go. Welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy and blah 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 blah. And now, this should now be a screenshot with a thing.
Mr. Beast!
What happened? Wow. That actually kind of worked too well. Look at what my display looks like. It's white. It's really white. I mean, it worked, right? And actually, showing it as an image... Showing it as an image makes it work on Streamlabs. What? So clearly something is going wrong. Let me close this. Alright. So what is happening? It's probably just not setting the opacity back down to 0. Hide image. There we go. So we probably need to set the window opacity back, right? Play jumpscare sets it to 0. And then obviously we can't really do that. So hide image should probably also have like a self dot. What is it? We need it's actually player dot set window. It's this one. I mean, just fucking copy it, right? All right, and that should hopefully then make that work better. Man, that is so interesting that works though. I don't understand. So it works with images. There's definitely like a way to make this work with video as well. That was a voice crack. I just don't know what exactly. Let's try it again. Let's see if it works better.
Mr. Beast!
I mean, it worked. I just couldn't see it because I kind of screwed it up. Let me do it again. Okay, it's the fucking bong sound effect again. Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh! Yeah!
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness! So that works though. That works. We've made images work. I don't have my stream deck, so I can't applause it with me. But imagine there's like applause going on right now. That works. So now we have images. We have images. We have random file selection as well. Now we just kind of need to make the fucking rest of it work, right? I mean... yeah, that's kind of basically it. I mean, we just kind of have to make, like, the rest work, because the actual jump scare thing works here. Look at this. Like, if I now do this... what in the fuck? Alright, I don't know how that happened. I'm sorry if I flashbanged anybody. Why is it white? Why is it pure white? That's really strange. We set the window opacity to 0. We set the window opacity to pure 0. It should not be white. Why would it be white in the first place? Because it's not black, like the video one. For some reason it's white. Hi, what's up, Slug? There's so many people joining in right now, it's crazy. This is wild, man. How you doing? We're just doing some programming. Need to do the jump scare thing, which, by the way, if there's any jump scare video that you want to appear in the... appear in the stream, there's a Discord thread where you can put your own videos in, and they will be in the FNAF marathon, randomly appearing throughout the stream. I just gotta plug that, I guess, because I don't want there to be nothing in there. Although we already have one suggestion, or one thing that we're definitely using. So yeah, that works. So what else do we need now? What else do we need now? I mean, we need to make it work, like, well, because I right now it still only works the best with display capture. Because if I don't use display capture, it's either pure white or pure black, which is both bad. I don't know what to do about that, honestly. Because that's probably more of a problem with Streamlabs, I would assume, than, like, any problem with the code, because my code's perfect. I cooked it tonight and I'm all alone. Good. That's the kind of atmosphere that we're going for here. I don't know what to do now. I mean, potentially, like, out of all the functions that we need, I feel like we've actually done all of them, right? Like, the core functionality of this thing, it works. Yeah? Let me put, like, let's do, like, let's just, god damn it, I can't talk when I'm doing other stuff. Let's just try out, like, let's just run it, like, a bunch of times, is what I'm trying to say. So now we have 4 videos. We have 2 sound effects. I'm just gonna add, like, a couple more sound effects, because why not? This might be loud in, like, a second. I'll give adequate warning when it's time. I'm just gonna add, like, a couple. That one. What else do we have? That could be, like, that one, I guess. Okay, well, let's add 2 more sound effects. I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of nervous as well. So we have 4 sound effects. And, oops, I just opened it again. Alright. We're on the Discord. Well, I'll be back. Alright. Okay. But it should be right in the description of this stream, actually. It's like in the description of basically fucking everything. So. We should... Let me put this back on display capture. So this is display capture now, because once again, it does not work without display capture for fucking whatever reason. That's something that I don't know if we can even get, like, done today. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Alright, let's try it. This could be a number of different, like, things. Alright. Oh, it couldn't use the error decoding source file. It didn't know how to play this. It didn't know how to play anime wow sound effect. Free to use. Why didn't it know how to play that? I mean, does that work? Can I play that? It's an MP3. Oh, because it's an MP3. It needed to be a WAV file, huh? I think that was like one of the problems. Can I just make an MP3 to a WAV file without it being fucked up? Yes, we can. Okay, sick. So this should work now. This should work now. Alright. Boom. That's that. Please go away. Weird orb. Weird white screen thing. I still don't know what that is. Alright. Testing this.
Mr. Beast!
Okay, we just got the normal Mr. Beast one. Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see what we got now. Okay, we just got fucking this one again. Why is it red down there? Why is it red?
Oh,
It might actually be Kool-Aid.
God.
Oh!
Oh. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
You don't know custom grow for 20, dude? Legendary, man. Why do you have bong video? Because it's funny. Seeing that guy go, whoa! I've taken a huge rip. It's very funny. Very entertaining. We won't get this again. It still does not know how to play this. It still does not know how to play the creepy bell sound effect. Which is a bad thing. I've broke so many bongs, so let's count you. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Why does it not work though? It's not wave. It should work. You'd go on your Damn, dude. Okay, that I can respect. It's what she needs to make sure that she's healthy. No. So why does the dot wave not work though? Also, why is the fucking music gone? Okay, we can do music suggestions now. I know that Zephyr wanted some, but I don't know what he wanted exactly. Do you have... No. I'm back. What's up? There we go. Thanks. That's what it was. Beat for Galaxy. I forgot. In the thing. Why? It's actually playing. It was just empty for like a while. I don't know why. Doesn't happy sound happy. I hate happiness. You guys hear that? It's like in the background. It's at 1%. Actually. That's good though. We just need like a slight bit. The quieter it is, the less of a chance that Nintendo will break into my house and break my spine, okay? It's important. Man, it has completely like wrecked a lot of this. Like, Jesus Christ. What is going on here? I just want to know. It was the Taco Bell sound, right? But this, let's see. I'm just gonna play it. Seems fine to me. Let's open this with the VLC. Oh, it's even louder. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry. So, why would that not work? The only thing that I can really think of is that because I just kind of really willy-nilly, that's how you say that, right? Willy-nilly. I just kind of made them like from MP3s into waves. I just kind of fucked up the like file encoding and whatnot. So I'm actually gonna have to kind of properly convert them. I'm just gonna use like some online converter to do that. MP3 to wave converter, please. And then, you know, that should be fine. Okay. Play the song, bro. Which song? You mean your song? Well, we're listening to a Zephyr song right now. I do feel like it could be louder, but it's fine. I'm not gonna. No. It's fine. Alright. So. Let's make this display capture again. Hopefully it can now actually play the stuff. It works! Yeah! That's good. Alright, sick. So that works. That's pretty damn good. Let's do it again.
Mr. Beast!
It works! It is so fucking scuffed. Holy shit. Mikael has the ability to make people sim for him. That's an Elden Ring boss. That's Elden Ring lore, it's true. Jesus Christ. That's wild that works. I just kind of want to try that out some more.
Mr. Beast!
Yeah. That's so fucking stupid. Alright. Jesus Christ. So, oh, I didn't, oops. Oh, yeah, it is on loop. It's just... For some reason, it just has like a 20-second dead timer at the end. Okay. So we know that this works at least with the files that we have currently set up. So I think what we need to do next is we need to change the way that we activate this. All right, because right now, oh man, display capture still. Let's do this to window capture. Well, let me check something. No, okay. The one thing that we basically only watch out if like the message is Mr. Beast. That's basically the command that we use right now, which is stupid, I feel like, and because it's not even true anymore, right? So this we should change this to probably just be like jumpscare. I want to send mine too, but I forgot what channel would I send. You want to send one? It's I can show this in like a second. Can I show this without showing anything else, really? Can I like... I guess it doesn't matter really that much. It's suggestions and then fnaf marathon jumpscare suggestions. It's like on the... It's just under suggestions. Should be able to see it. It's pinned as well. Should be able to see it. But I also feel like we need to have it be like random, first of all. And we probably also want to give it like a cooldown. So that we don't just spam it, you know? Or that it's not able to be spammed. I want to give it like a random cooldown between like, I don't know. To have it be like actually impactful, I wanted it to be like anywhere between like 10 minutes and like an hour or something, or like 40 minutes or whatever. I'll try to send mine later. Yeah, no problem, dude. The more the better, you know? Gets a big variety, and there's a good chance it's gonna appear on stream. Because I'm only gonna do like 6 files all in all. Get like some combinations of things, and that'll be that. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that we gotta do like a random timer between like 5 and 45 minutes or whatever. So let's just get rid of everything. Play, set position, show image. Let's just hide everything so that we can get like a better, actual overview of the entire program. So what we need is every time we play a jump scare, so this method, we want to basically like set a random or like save like fucking like jump scare cooldown, right? Is what we want to set. And this should be, is what I'm thinking, like, well, we need a current one. So we need to set it right here. So this is like the current cooldown that we have. And this should be set to like a random, what is a random range? It should be like anything between start, like 5 minutes and like fucking 40 minutes, right? Why does it not like self right here? Self is not defined, huh? I guess it isn't actually. There we go. So we have a current jump scare cooldown. Now what I'm also thinking is there should be like a main somewhere, something that just like loops over and over and over, right? Which is this one, but the thing is, I think it's the Selenium worker that actually does that. Actually, I'm not sure. It's the worker.start. So it's like up here. There we go. This is the while true. So this is like the... oops. This is like the main loop. This is like what basically gets executed like every fucking frame, you know, as much as it can. This is the code that it runs. And this is like, basically this calls like everything else that we have. So like if there's no messages, like whatever. And if there are messages, then it gets the newest one, checks if that's like something else than the latest message that it already has saved. And if it is, then I don't know what this emit even does, I'm not gonna lie. But like it does something. I don't know. And then we basically set like the latest message to whatever the newest one is, right? And then we print that as well, which is like what we can see down here below, right? Yeah. And we need to, in here, basically like count down the time. And we have this one. I think this one might be like screwing with me. New message.connect. Okay, I understand now. This .connect I think means that like what I put like right in here gets called whenever I do an emit up here. Right? So by doing this like .emit, it basically then checks, oh, is this message exclamation mark jump scare? You feel me? And then it plays a jump scare if it's that basically. Which is correct. But what we also need to do, basically, it's like, it's not only if the message is jump scare, it's also, it's like if the message is jump scare and the jump scare cooldown, we don't have, oh god, why do we not have self in here? What the fuck? It should be jump scare cooldown, but, that does not work because why can't we access like self right here? Self is not defined. Quick fix. What do we have? Nothing. So we have to somehow get jump scare cooldown into here. We have a message. Work on a new message connect. I mean, what if we just go like emit newest message and like self dot. Why is what? I guess we should go like whenever we start. We probably need to. Oh wait, I guess we have to set it like up here in the init, right? Is that not true? Self.jumpscare cooldown equals 0. Do we have it down here now? No, we don't. We need to. Oh yeah, it's been. There we go. Okay. I was about to say the music's gone again. So we have that, and then what if we go? Should be able to see this up here now. There we go. So after jumpscare cooldown, this is obviously gonna cause this to probably like. Why is message? What about this now? Like this? I don't know if this works. I don't know what I'm doing exactly. We're just trying shit out. And this needs to be like less than, or equal to 0, right? That makes sense, right? I think it does. And now we need to still have like a way to actually count down the jump scare cooldown, right? Because even though we set it right here to like a random range between 5 and 40, we still need to count it down like every minute, right? There's probably a problem right here because we need to do it in ticks and not in minutes. But we might be able to, or like in seconds at least. But like what is, I guess we just do like 5 times 60 and like 40 times 60, right? So then we have it in seconds. Pretty easy fix, right? Or we can just be like not stupid, I guess, and do this at the end. Like that. So that means that we have 5 times 60, which would be, I don't know, 5 minutes and fucking 300 seconds. Yeah, that makes sense. And what we need to do like up here now is we need to have like a delta time thing, right? Which basically like the time that it took since last time to get here again. The difference in time, right? That's delta time. And to get delta time in Python, I don't know how to get it. I have no clue. So it's like, I'm just gonna do one of these funny things and I do Python cooldown timer. Or like just the timer in general. Ask nicely, Python please. Python please, I would like one timer. Please. There's an import time has it apparently. From time import sleep. We're just gonna go from time. Okay, I guess we can just from time import. What do we have in here? From time import time. From time import a bunch of other times. Yeah, from time import time. Nope. From time import time. We also have time ns, which is time nanoseconds. Then we have the start, which is, oh boy, end. This might be fucking annoying actually. So we need to set the like beginning time, right? Which would be like right here. So it'd be like self dot jump scare time, which is the time dot time. That might be wrong, I guess, because I imported time. It's only time. This should hopefully give us back the current time. It's a float, by the way. Float is a comma, is a decimal thing, right? So to turn things into float, I think in terms of Python, this is an int, and it gets us back an int. We just kind of can multiply this with a float, doing it with like a decimal, now makes it a float, and then we should have a float back. Exactly, it's now a float. And if we return this 0.0, it is now an integer, a full number, basically, right? Boom, there we go. We have the jump scare cooldown, we have the jump scare time whenever it happened, which is the current time. And to get the elapsed time... Wait, I do even need that? I think we don't even need this. I think what we actually need to do is we need to do this up here, where we just go like... I guess we get the time at the start, right, of the loop. So at the beginning we go, okay, it's now fucking 8 seconds after, I don't know, or it's like 8 seconds after starting to exist, basically. And then down here, we do the same thing again. We go like, well, what time is it now? Well, it's now 9 seconds after existing, right? And that means 1 second has passed. And that means we can now do -1 to the jump scare cooldown, right? Does that make sense? So I'm thinking that we go like start time equals time. And you know what we can do? We can probably like do this really slick in like one thing where we can just go like self dot jump scare cooldown minus equals. So this is basically, I guess I'll write it out first. It's a little tip for y'all, right, coming up. So we now need to go the difference between the current time. So it would be self dot jump scare cooldown would be now minus. Let me think. So it would be minus the end time or the current time minus the start time. Because the current time is, we were always counting up, right? So the current time is like up here, it's like fucking 10 seconds or whatever. Meanwhile, at the start, it was at like 8 seconds down here, right? There's like difference. We need to get like this 2 because it's a difference of 2. So that's how we subtract that from each other. And then we can go jumpscare cooldown -2 seconds. Right? And we can actually just make this like a lot nicer looking by just combining this into this. So then we can say jumpscare cooldown equals whatever. You know, this. Right? That makes sense. That was not a good explanation. I feel like, yeah. There's been 515,612,077 seconds. That's not in seconds, right? Is that in like nanoseconds? Can that be in seconds? How many seconds are there per year? How many seconds are there per year? What the fuck? How long have I existed then? Jesus Christ, I must be at like a million, like around about. I must be like at like 800,000 or something. 800 million, I mean. 800 million seconds. That's way too many. Jesus Christ. Imagine when you're like fucking 80 years old. How many seconds you've experienced in your entire life. Jesus Christ. But yeah. Birth and I can check. Wait. I want to do it myself. How many seconds have I been alive? Does that actually just exist? Oh, it fucking does. You can do the math after. I don't even know. Yeah, I think I was pretty spot on. I'm like 750 million seconds old. Yeah, that's a pretty good guess. Alright, so now what I want to do is like, is go like print self.jumps get cooldown. What do you mean no suggestion? Did I spell something wrong? Oh, I did. Should have that. Yeah, right. Okay, no, that's weird that it doesn't show me any suggestions, but it's fine. It seems to be okay with it. And now we can also do, let's just check if this works, print self.jumpscare cooldown. And this is basically going to be like always counting down, counting down, counting down, counting down. We actually don't need this down here, not gonna lie. Yeah, I mean, seems pretty good to me, right? That makes sense. So let's see if this works. Alright, so I'm gonna start it again. Alright. Oh, it actually instantly crashed. There's one argument but two provided. Oh, that doesn't fucking work now. We can't do that. I wonder if we can just like emit something else. Wait, do we even need to? No, we actually don't even need to. I said a bad word, did I? I don't know. What does a bad word mean? So it's definitely it's complaining about this right here. How dare you? I don't even know what I said. It's like, no, I apologize dearly. I apologize very dearly to the entire internet for whatever I said. I don't even know. Must have been real bad. Oops. So we can't emit two things at once, which makes sense, but I kind of hate it. I got an idea. This might be blasphemy. Boom. It is a single object. Now instead of two objects, it's now one object. And we can do the same thing down here. Boom, it's now one object. That just fucked everything up. Sublist parameters are not supported in Python 3.x. Position only parameter separator not allowed as first parameter. God, what if it just works anyway, huh? What if it just works anyway? No, it didn't. Oh yeah, it has an unexpected type tuple. You fucking assholes. You fucking... God damn it. God damn it. Alright. Let me think. This is kind of annoying. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm really dumb. Instead of putting it like right here into this connect thing and whatever, we're just gonna not even emit it if it's. We can actually just go fucking. It's not even gonna check for like any new messages if the jumpscare cooldown is not less than or equal to 0. Yeah, so we just put it like up here. Problem solved. Alright, there it is. That is the current jump scare cooldown. So let's put this back to display capture. If chat would be so kind as to pull a exclamation mark jump scare. It's like just flooding at the gates for this. Oh, and it crashed. Thanks. That's so good. Missing one required positional argument self. We need to... Or do we need to do this? No, I guess we just do this. No. I guess that doesn't work then, huh? That's... not fine, actually. Because we can't really go for self. I mean, wait, can we... No. That's gonna complain? Yeah, that makes sense. So the problem currently is that the jumpscare cooldown is not part of this. I guess we need to actually... Oh, I guess we need to go into the worker, right? Don't we do like a new worker? There we go, this worker. That's what we need to... There we go, worker. Oh, there we go, that was the big problem. Alright. That means that we can put the self out right here. Okay, that should work now. I had a brain... I forgot that there's object-oriented programming in Python sometimes. It's really weird. Alright, please do it again. Just frothing at the mouth for this. Yeah, thanks. Alright, nice. And we have a 600-second cooldown timer now. Which is 10 minutes. It is a 10-minute cooldown timer now to get the next jump scare. Now I'm gonna try this again myself. I was about to write Mr. Beast again. And now it doesn't work. It doesn't even check. You know, which is what we want. Let's just like try it one more time just because I wanna see it work. Because that's satisfying. You wanna do it again? That's what we get this time. It's gonna be the fucking bong video again, dude, I swear to god. There's a 25% chance that it is. Okay, that's a pretty damn good one. That's pretty damn good. That's a good one right there, dude. I mean, come on. Seeing that, like playing FNAF. Dude, I don't know how this is gonna work in VR, though. It might not work in VR. I don't know. Unless, dude, what if that is just like gonna be my entire field of view? That would be so fucking scary. And now we have a timer of, I don't know, a couple, it's definitely long. It should be like 30 minutes, roundabout. Is 40 minutes too long to have, in terms of timeout? I feel like if I'm gonna be streaming for like 8 hours, I feel like that's fine. Just like every once in a while, I just see jumpscare and I won't even know, like, is the time up? Like, is anything gonna happen? Like, you just never know. I feel like that's a good idea. So the one other idea that we had was it would also count the, like, amount of chat messages that were being said. And then it would play a jump scare based on that. But honestly, I don't know if that's a good idea, because that might just, like lead to spamming, right? I don't think I need to really worry about that, though. Right, I guess if anybody spams, we just ban them, so fuck it. Let's do that, then. Let's just do one that is completely, like, uncoupled from this. But it's gonna be quite similar. So this is gonna be, like, a jumpscare cooldown time. Then we're also gonna do one that is... we should also do one that is... like worker dot jump scare cooldown a message amount, right? Which is going to be like a random range between like... How many messages are we thinking? Usually per stream I get like... I think I have like one of 50 per hour, so like one every minute or so. So I think it should be anything between like 80 and like 250. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see how good it works, I guess, right? I mean, I guess the more the better, who cares? So. Let's also just go for like self dot jump scare cooldown message amount. I mean, put this one to like fucking 100, like right off the bat. Doesn't really matter that much. And the thing is, now every time that a unique message is being sent... Ooh... Okay, we now actually need to... because this would be inside of here, so that means that we actually need to put this thing out. We need to get rid of that, because we only don't want to if... that thing. Only if the cooldown time is less than that do we emit the message. Or the self dot... Oh yeah, I forgot Python doesn't work like this. Or self dot jumpscare cooldown messages amount is less than or equal to 0, right? So it's like either the time amount is done, either the cooldown is over, or there's been enough messages, and then we can also potentially trigger a jump scare. Although I suppose... Although, yeah, I guess so, right? I mean, because in that case, it basically just means, like... like, I guess, like, you would just try to do, like, a jump scare every, like, 5 to 10 minutes. Dude, you know what would be fucking sick? If it actually, like, shows on screen which message and, like, who made the message, like, triggered that, you know? If, like, somebody like, triggers a jump scare, it would say, like, this person triggered a jump scare, you know? I feel like that would be cool. I feel like that would be pretty sick. How good is that gonna go? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Was I read my pants or shit? Dude, same, man. Been like that the entire time. That's what I'm thinking. I've been streaming for 2 hours, so I'm probably gonna... I don't know if I don't want to do everything in one stream. And I know that Mess wants to see this stuff probably as well. So... I'm probably gonna be done for today. I'm probably gonna be done for today. Let's see, do we got anybody? Because I think 2 hours is good. I think we've made good progress. And I think... this is probably a good place to stop. We've done the cooldown, now we have to do the message one. Let's actually do like one to-do thing quickly, just so that I know what I have to do next time. Although that might make sense, huh? Oh yeah, show name of person that triggered jump scare. And what else do we want? When is the next stream? I am not sure, honestly. It's not running right now. Oh yeah, also like fix window / game capture on Streamlabs. There will never be another stream again. That's more important. I'm gonna... when is next stream? Today is... what fucking day is today? Today's Monday. It's probably gonna be still within the week, though. There's definitely gonna be at least one on the weekend. But before that, I mean, I don't know. There might be like another coding stream in the next couple of days. I'll probably post one, the scheduled one, like tomorrow? I don't know. But it should be like within the next couple of days, right? It shouldn't be too long. Once again, I'll announce it on the stream and on the Discord and everything. Is there anything else that we need? Also, like think like how to avoid spam, because that might still happen, right? Even though with 230 subs, there's no fucking way there's gonna be spam, right? Like, is that even needed? What else do we need? It's like change jump scare cooldown message amount to not require jump scare in chat. Those are just some questions that we can think about next time. So this one I'm probably just gonna do on my own because that's not very important, or that's not like not fun to look at, you know, because it's like a problem with Streamlabs, I feel like, and not something with the program itself. I think that's cool. How to avoid spam, I don't think we need that. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for now, right? 2-hour stream. I'm probably gonna be making a Silent Hill video because I think that's gonna be fun. I'm probably gonna record some of that today as well, actually, or like at least write some stuff about it. Yeah. I think that'll be it for today then. All right. Boom, there it is. All right. Where's my Streamlabs? So, once again, if you want to have your own jump scares in the stream, don't forget to post those in the Discord. I'm gonna maybe post some of those on my own as well there, just to like have a couple in there to make it. I guess it might be like even more sad if there's only my own in there. But who knows? What the hell is going on with my computer right now? Alright, but yeah, thanks very much for watching. I hope you at least learned, I guess, something. I don't know how educational this was, but yeah. So yeah, there's probably gonna be another video this week, I hope. There's gonna be more streams for sure. I'll announce them within the next 1-2 days. 1 to 2 days, probably. Yeah, I appreciate everybody watching very much. Even the people that tuned out. Very cool, once again, to have people in here at all. It's crazy. Especially with the sub count that I have. Yeah. I appreciate it. Hope everybody's having a good time. Good time. I don't know why I said that so weird. Hope everybody's having a good day. Good evening. Good morning. Good whatever. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one, right? I'll see you next time. So, bye-bye.